Hello everyone, my name is Charu Masant. Today in this video, I'll talk about socio-legal mechanism to combat with newly emerged challenges of domestic violence. In this video, I'll particularly talk about domestic violence against women. So first, let me explain what is domestic violence. Domestic violence is a violence or other abuse in a domestic setting such as in marriage or cohabitation. Domestic violence against women is becoming a great threat in India day by day despite of strict laws against domestic violence, especially in rural areas. The issue of domestic violence is prevailing worldwide. It's a global issue. Women are being subjected to discrimination on the basis of gender, which leads to decline in sex ratio of female over male. There are some main reasons behind the domestic violence, such as lack of education, unawareness, backwardness, religious obligations, social obligations, and dowry. As we know that the world is suffering from COVID-19, due to this pandemic, the government has announced lockdown, which results in stay at home, fall in economic growth, rise in cybercrime, and it also results in rapid rise in domestic violence, not only in India but globally. Other countries have also reported increase in number of cases. The National Council of Women has reported a rise in number of cases reported through emails within few days of lockdown. The number of cases reported are less than the actual cases as people will not have access to mobile phones with their abusers to call for help. Uh, there are some main reasons for rapid increase in domestic violence due to COVID-19 lockdown. The first reason is difficulty in access to resources. Although the support is provided by government and non-governmental organizations to the women against domestic violence, but due to lockdown, they find it difficult to access resources. The second reason is frustration. Women, for the first time, who are facing domestic violence, blaming government for their current situation. They are saying that their husbands are getting frustrated due to financial crisis, lack of social interaction, and they are beating them for no reasons. The third one is lack of opportunity to complain. The opportunities to help women directly will remain be limited due to lockdown. They are not able to report as they are always surrounded by their husbands. The fourth reason is early marriage. Financial burden is increased on families due to COVID-19. To reduce financial stress of parents decided to marry their daughters. Child marriage is illegal in India, but as administrative authorities busy in dealing with COVID-19, some people are taking advantage of it. The fifth reason is the unequal distribution of labor. Women are also facing the problem of unequal distribution of labor across the nations. Women face an increase in threat of physical violence during countries' partial lockdown. The different authorities are taking steps to reduce domestic violence. Women Entrepreneur for Transformation Foundation is a non-profit organization which is working for women empowerment. This organization has launched a new campaign called Red Dot, by which citizens can recognize a domestic violence victim by sending a red dot on her palm and inform NGOs or authorities. The National Council for Women has launched a WhatsApp number on Friday to report causes of domestic violence which have seen a rise during the coronavirus lockdown period. According to NCW, this WhatsApp number is an addition to the already existing emails and online complaint links. This number is an emergency number for victims. A petition is filed by the All India Council for Human Rights, Liberties and Social Justice, which gave details about the threats to the safety of women, especially during the lockdown period when they are locked down with their offenders. In response to this petition, notices are issued by Delhi High Court to the six respondents of the petition. The respondents were also advised to have a conscience upon their own additional solutions. To address the issue of domestic violence, the respondents are also directed to file a fresh status report on the matter in the next hearing of the case. In the final judgment, the Delhi High Court said that the court did not find a reason to further monitor the situation on the basis of the detailed report and responses filed by the respondent. However, the court also administered the respondent to ensure proper execution and tutoring of staffs who addressed the helpline numbers. At the end, I would like to say the world is suffering from this pandemic. Government is busy in fighting this disease. Administrative authorities are also busy. Some people taking it as an advantage. According to NCW, there is a rapid increase in number of cases of domestic violence are being subjected to cruelty by their husband. Only potential solution to this problem is to create awareness. The government is taking all preventive measures like red dot campaigns, etc. But it's responsibility of our society to fight against it. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. And also check the link in the description to read the full article.